It's butterfly garden time. I have monarchs on my milkweed at home, and so we've created this beautiful butterfly garden here at Shady Brook, so you can just come right in and choose the plants to bring butterflies to your house. Monarch butterflies are very specific. They only come to varieties of milkweed. This is butterfly milkweed, and then we have the tall variety of milkweed back behind me there. It's not quite coming into bloom, but it will be blooming soon. Other plants that butterflies like, this is yarrow. Comes in a variety of colors. They love to perch on top of it and sip nectar. Right next to it is verbena. And this technically is an annual, but will self-seed and appear in your garden time after time. Cone flowers. Butterflies love cone flowers, and not only them, but also the chickadees will sit on top and they'll enjoy it. We have purple agastache in the back. And then, see, we have some little white butterflies showing up, no monarchs yet. Then we have butterfly blue scabiosa, more yarrow. Any flower that has a nice flat top, the butterflies like to perch on. And then, of course, butterfly bushes. And the breeders have been working very hard to create dwarf butterfly bushes rather than the 5 to 6 footers that we're all so familiar with. Now remember, if you have butterflies, you're going to have caterpillars. And please, don't spray them, leave them alone. We need them for next year's generations of butterflies, and it's just not good manners to invite the parents and then spray the kids. So enjoy your butterfly garden, all the colors, all the smells of summer. Have a great time.